So this is what a Falcon 9 launch looks like from the Space Coast in front of my house. If you lived out here in Brevard County, see a beautiful moon, and then you see what looks like a rising sun. And whoa, there it is, Falcon 9. It's headed skyward, putting a payload into orbit, becoming more and more routine. I remember in 1976 when I moved here in Brevard County, we'd have maybe 2 or 3 launches a year. We had one explode when I first moved here, and now we have vehicles designed for the first stages to come back and be reused, and then Starship, which will be a fully reusable. And there it goes. Brevard County, February 6th, another rocket launch. We'll give it a moment to hear the rumble. Here it comes. About a minute later, 10 miles, 12 miles away. There it is. All right, thank you for watching.